What is up, Moto Gang, and welcome back to another vlog. If you have been following me on my socials, you would know that I recently acquired a new vehicle, that being a 2014 Audi TTS with a stage 1 tune. So it's a 4-cylinder with a single turbo, but it's pushing about 25 pounds of boost. Given that this vehicle has one particular thing about it that none of my other vehicles have, and that being that it's all-wheel drive. Well, kinda. It being an Audi and a smaller Audi, and it's equipped with a halodeck system, so it's pretty much always in front wheel drive unless the front wheels are slipping, and then it will engage the rear wheels. So it's a pretty cool system, actually. And some of you have actually reached out to me to tell me that it has its benefits in terms of like repairing it. It's a lot cheaper to repair a halodeck system than a true quattro system. But given that it is absolutely blizzarding out here right now, I think we're expecting like a foot of snow. I figured what better time than to do a first review video for you guys with the new quattro system. Shout out to the Audi boys out there, switching a little bit from the Beamer side to the Audi side now. But don't worry, my Beamer fam, the M4 did not go anywhere. So we now have 4 vehicles: the Aprilia, the fully electric Supermoto, the M4, and the Audi. So we've got a nice little lineup here for you at Moto Man Productions. But I figured let's go for a nice little drive. I actually need to venture home. It's about a 30-minute drive, so let's see how she does in the snow. All right, got y'all mounted up on the head. Let's get after it. Let's see how this quattro system does. Yeah, I mean, there's quite a bit of snow on the ground right now. Yeah, I can feel her slipping there. I got the traction light coming on. Ooh, okay, I'm fucked. Oh, thankfully it was really light and stuff, fluffy, and we just went right through that. Holy shit, there was no braking whatsoever. I tried to brake, we slid right through it. Yeah, these conditions are pretty serious, I'm not gonna lie. All right, let's turn off traction. Pop her into manual mode. Just flip her over there. Pretty much like a normal car that has that capability as well, which I don't really care for. I do like how the BMW is kind of always just in the shifting mode. You don't have to slap it over. A little slipper here. I also don't like how it's push forward to upshift and pull back to downshift. That should totally be reversed. And again, it's reversed on the BMW, so it's not normal to me. I sometimes get it mixed up. Looks like we got a lot of flashers up here. I wonder if there was an accident. Oh shit, did a bus get stuck? Oh man, it looks like a bus slid off the road. Oh yeah, they're out here directing traffic. Damn, freaking SEPTA bus slid off the road. I see your flashlight, my man. Yeah, I think they just slid off the road into the curb. Oh, Jeep activated the yellow lights for us. No, activate that shit. Do that again, bro. That was nice. This car does ride decently rough, but not terrible. I think it has been lowered quite a bit as well, so it doesn't help, but I'm fine with it. It's a shame I can't really utilize much of its sportiness right now, but definitely have another video for that in the future. All right, I think Wranglers gave way to the quattro system. Yes. Mind that that little bit of rattle. If I just hold my hand on the ashtray, it goes away. Pass everyone, get a little kick out there. Doing 40 up this hill now. Audi's just eating up. See how she does in this deeper stuff. Seems to be totally fine. Yeah, she's a nice little snow drifter. She likes it, she handles it very well. But yeah, I feel very confident with her in the snow. Got the whole crew out here working. Oh, speed bump. Oh, oopsie. All right, maybe one little donut here. Just a baby donut, just a baby donut. Oh wow, there's people right there. Oh, fuck. Okay. All right. And I think with that, that might be our sign to stop. We're actually gonna get out and check out how close we just were to sliding into the curb. I mean, look at just how thick it is out here. Why does Audi do that? You get out of the car with the headlights on and it freaks the fuck out. But holy shit, I thought for sure we were going into the curb there. Wow, we're not far from it at all. I mean, look how much we just slid. It's thick out here, really thick. Holy shit, that was close. So I think with that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. But if you are not already subscribed, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure to tune in for our next video. We'll be doing plenty with the Audi. We're doing plenty with the M4. I haven't even gotten it back yet from the body shop after we were involved in the hit and run. So just stay tuned for many more videos to come. But until the next one, guys, peace.